Good afternoon, everyone. Today's subject is grammar, and in grammar, we have taken the topic pronouns. Before teaching pronouns, I would like to tell you about the topic. Okay, what is called pronoun? Actually, pronoun means the words used in the place of nouns, and nouns we have already learned. Okay, nouns means all the naming words. Okay, so they are, the pronouns are I, you, he, she, it. I, you, he, she, it. Now I'll be showing you what is called when to use he and she. Okay, see, we have done gender topic, male and female. In male and female, male means he, and for female we are using the word she. Female means your mother, sister, grandma, aunt, and male means father, grandfather, brother, uncle. So for them, for those words we are using he, and with the female words we are using she. So our today's topic is pronoun. Pronouns means the words which are used in place of nouns. Nouns are the naming words which I have already taught you. Name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing, name of an animal. The words which are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. I'll be showing you which are the words here. They are I. The word I, you, he, she, and it. Okay, now see, you can see here number one, I word we are using with me and myself. Children, just say when we are speaking about ourselves, means suppose I am speaking about myself, I'll be using this word, I word. Okay, when I'm talking about, I'm telling something about myself, I'll be using I with myself. Okay, and you word is used to point others. When we are talking about other people, suppose you are talking about your mama, you will be saying, you will be using you word. And always remember, children, with I word we are using am, and with you we are using are. So suppose you are talking about your mama, you will be saying you are my mama. You look sweet. You are cooking tasty food. Suppose you are talking about yourself, I'm a boy or I'm a girl. I love eating mangoes, like that. Okay, and then the next number is he. This is he, as I told you, is used with the male person, with papa, with grandpa, with brother. She word we are using to point out female, mother, grandmother, aunt. Okay, and it, number 5 is it. It is used with the things, with the things what we are using day to day. We are pointing, we are using this word with those things. Okay, so I'll be showing you few examples about he and she. Now here, see, the example is given here, he and she, there's a girl and there's a boy. The girl will be pointed like this, she is a girl and he is a boy. Okay, so the main we are going to start with now I and you, he and she. Okay, he and she only we were doing. I'll show you more examples about he and she. As I told you, she's a girl, he's a boy. The next one I can show you here, there's a picture of a family, children. See, there's father, mother, and son. To father, we'll be using he is my father, and to mother, we will be saying she is my mother, and he is my brother. Son means to son, for a boy, we are using he. He is my brother. Okay, then the next picture I can show you here. There's king and queen and prince. To king is a man, so we'll be saying he is a king. She is a queen. He is a prince. Okay. The next one, we can see the family of our uncle, aunt, and cousins. To uncle we will say he is my uncle, and she is my aunt. They are my cousins. Here there's a picture of a family. He is my uncle, he is my nephew, she is my aunt, she is my niece. Okay. Then you can see in animals also we have gender. When we are talking about particular animal, then we are using he and she. Otherwise we point them with it or they. Okay. Now suppose I am talking about a particular animal, then we can use he is an ox, she is a cow. Okay. And then lion and lioness. For lion we are using he word, and for lioness we are using she word. Here is peacock and peahen. For the peahen we are using she word, and for the peacock we are using he word. There is cock and hen also. For cock he word, and for hen she word. Okay. There are more examples about I and you. Now children, I means say when we are talking about, as I told you, when I'm talking about myself, I'll be using I word. Suppose see, now there is an example. There's a lady. The lady's name is Kamla. And see, Kamla is sitting here, and Kamla is having a conversation with this man. Conversation means she is talking with the next person. Okay. Kamla is saying, I am Kamla. Who are you? Okay, she is saying about herself, I am Kamla, who are you? Then he is saying, I am Gangaram. I am Gangaram. He is asking now, what are you doing? What are you doing? Then she is saying, I am grinding something. Okay, so she's a lady, he is a man. She is saying, I am Kamla and you are Gangaram. I am Kamla, you are Gangaram. Okay. The next example I have here is about two toys. Actually, this is a Pikachu and that is a Mickey. Okay. Now Pikachu and Mickey is having the conversation among themselves. Pikachu is looking at Mickey, and Mickey is introducing, hello, I'm Mickey, who are you? So Pikachu is introducing himself. Pikachu is saying, I'm Pikachu. Then again he is asking, he is saying, I'm Mickey and you are Pikachu. Now Pikachu is saying, I have a long tail. I have a long tail. He is asking, do you have a tail? Mickey is saying, no, I don't have a tail. I have long ears. I have big ears. Then Mickey is asking, what do you like? What do you like to eat? He is saying, I like to eat guava. And now Pikachu is asking, what do you like to eat? I like to eat apples. Okay, this is all about I and you, children. Now there's an exercise I've made for you all. We can see here. Say about he and she words. Match with he and she words. Now see, there are the pictures, children. There's a queen, there's a boy, there's a girl, and grandpa is sitting. The words are written here, he, she. You have to look at the picture and you have to match it now. Now see, here there's a queen. The queen is a lady. So he word or she word? She word. We have to match this with she. Now there's a boy. To boy, which word we are going to use? He. We have to match this way. Now there is a girl. For girl, he or she, we have to match because she comes in female. Okay. Then there's grandpa. Grandpa is male or female? Male. So we have to match it this way. Now you can see the other exercise, use of he and she again. There's a man who is sitting, who is working on the laptop. Okay. So dash is a man. What will come, children? He or she? He. Okay. There's a girl. Dash is my sister. So he or she? She is my sister. The next one, there's a there's a boy, dash is a boy. Okay, now to boys, what are we going to use, children? He or she? He. Okay, so he is a boy. The next one you can see, dash is my teacher. So for teacher, she is a lady teacher, so we have to write she is a teacher. So this type of exercises we are going to do. The next one is there, use of he and she. There are only few words, children. You got to read the word and you have to put he and she. Now there's a girl word. With girl, what will come? She. With nurse, she. Sir, sir is a male word, so with sir, he. The next one is madam. With madam, she. Grandpa, he. Uncle, uncle is a male word, so he. Aunt, aunt is a female word, so she we are using. Boy, with boy we are using he. Ram, Ram is the name of a boy, so with Ram we are using he word. Here is the name of a girl, Kavya. Kavya is a girl, so she. So next is father. Father means father is a male, so he word. Brother, brother is also a male, so he word. Sister, sister is a female, so she word. So children, you got to remember, if any male we are using he word, if female then we have to use she word. And with I letter, I word, not with I letter, with I word we are using always am, and with you we are using are. I we are using to point out ourselves, and you we are using to point out others. He we are using to point out a male, and she we are using to point out a female. Okay, then it I'll be teaching in the next session. Hope you understood the concept of I, you, he and she. Thank you.